For those who didn't know, Central Office just released a post pertaining to the revision for these so-called classroom observations. And it is for discussion. And they are asking to share your thoughts, opinions, and feedback. So what is our response or our view? Merong mga loopholes yung PMES that seems to be hindi yata na-address even with our released first draft. Imagine, an in-person observation requires the teacher to be on 100% of the time. Kasi kailangan malakas yung boses niya. Kailangan gumalaw niya dito, punta siya doon, punta siya dito, to be engaged with the whole class. Project ni teacher yung energy niya kasi nandyan, nakatingin si ma'am, nakatingin si classroom, si school head, nakatingin si master teacher. So, kailangan i-project ni ma'am na talagang, kayang-kaya ko magturo with all of the best of my abilities. For a teacher who is already haggard from the daily grind, the energy required to put on a show, because this is all but a show for the school head, for the master teachers who will be rating them, it is already a physical health risk. Kaya nga may namatay. It is not just an anxiety issue. Imagine, I'm gonna put a scenario, ha? Marami pa rin tayong mga seasoned teachers, yung mga nasa early 50s to 60s. Yung iba nga, may mga teachers pa nga na 61, 62, but still are teaching. Hindi pa rin nagre-retire. Uubusin nila hanggang 65. And you know the reason why most of them are still there, working, teaching, not leaving them, and even if they are already considered as senior citizens and retirables. We all know the reason there. Kaya sabihin na natin, kasalanan din naman ni teacher. Binaon niya yung sarili niya sa loan. Hindi kasalanan ng teacher na umutang kasi kulang yung panggastos niya. So meron ka mga matatandang teachers, may arthritis na. Tapos nag-handle pa ng grade 1. Tapos multi-grade pa talaga. Kasi may mga multi-grade tayo. That teacher is already exhausted. Why? Kasi even before class, maglilinis pa yan ng classroom. Punasan pa niya yung mga upuan, i-arrange pa niya. Kada umaga, yan yung ginagawa ni ma'am. We don't have janitors. We don't have a plantilla for janitors. So balik tayo dun sa teacher. Matanda, seasoned, may arthritis na. So syempre hindi na malakas ang boses, nakalapel na. Pero kasi nga, kailangan niya ng classroom observation, pinili niya yung option 1. Kasi hindi siya marunong mag-video eh. Sabi niya, wag na yung video-video, ano-ano pa, mahirap pa yan, mag-email, magpadala-padala pa. Ito na, classroom, kasi ito na yung nakasanayan ko. Ngayon, yung bilis ng galaw po noon, hindi na ganun kabilis ngayon. Pero kailangan niyang mag-show. Kasi it's a show.